a new vlog with my two beautiful kids. Can you say hello?
Hi.
Say what's up? Can you say what's up?
What's up?
What's up?
What's up?
What's up? Lola's got a new script for a new play for Christmas. You excited for that? What are you going to be?
Shepherd.
Not a donkey, not a sheep, but a...
Shepherd.
Oh, shepherd. Anyway, guys, introducing baby Mavs to the vlog! Anyway, what do they need to do? Follow me on all social media. Hit that big red button, subscribe. Just got the kids ready for school. Washing done, everything done. I got to take... Well, kids going to school. Well, Lola's going to school. What are you doing? You going to go back to bed? But anyway, what are you going to say before you go, Lowe's?
Bye.
Say, work hard.
Work hard.
Work extra hard today.
Work extra hard today.
Dreams to.
Reality.
Dedication to.
Motivational.
Believe the.
Dreams.
Teamwork.
Makes a dream.
Oh yeah, that's it, baby. We out. Mwah. Mwah. Let's go. Okay.
Yeah. Coming in. Yeah.
What again? What? Just at Registered Services. Need the toilet.
7 hours later.
Flex. I just wanna win. Yeah. LABB who we running with. Yeah. 2233, I'm on 10 again. Yeah. State your name. Big bin dope on flame. I just switched the lanes.
The price of the parking.
This happened to me in central London the other week and I reversed back out. This way? Yeah.
Oh.
They don't even have the prices. There are no chip coins. Oh, season card holders only. Fail.
Damn, he did it again. I just flipped the pain. Stripping and dipping in bass. Slab on every.
Car park lift. 5 stars.
To be fair, this is the fanciest lift I've ever been.
Dreams to reality.
We made it, baby. We did it.
Yeah. 2233, I'm on 10 again. Flex. I just wanna win. Yeah. LABB who we running with. Yeah.
So we've been walking for about 5-10 minutes.
Wait, how am I supposed to know where to go?
You tell me, man. You got the map.
I've got the map. How have I got the map? You take the map.
2233, I'm on 10 again. Yeah. State your name.
That's what happened when you can't drink properly. What happened?
You chucked your drink at me.
Big bin dope on flame. I just switched the lanes. Damn, he did it again. I just flipped the pain.
Down the middle.
It's you.
Swimming, you shaking away, cause I got big racks coming up.
Fair play to you guys. The setup. Oh, sorry, mate.
We've got a full house.
Awesome.
Yeah. 160 something boys.
Yeah. Oh, what look?
Dean is our host, but he's probably just having a break.
Yeah.
He will introduce you and everything. And this is your space.
Nice, man. Real nice.
Good.
You guys done well. Fair play to you.
Yeah.
A lot of effort put.
Fourth year here.
Okay, guys, so we're here at the Rock Your Teens. So yeah, we're in London now, but a school from Wales has come here, so it's a big event, and I'm really excited to try and offer as much value as I possibly can. But I was just having a conversation a minute ago, and for me to actually be here in London doing what I do
when really 6-7 years ago it was all a dream. So I mean, unreal for me. Me and Enzo were just walking around in Canary Wharf like with our mouth wide open, looking up, looking everywhere. It's inspiring even for us. So yeah, rock your team's event. I'm excited. I got about 40-minute session plus a 10-minute Q&A, and I'm going to do my absolute best. So yeah, follow up.
Who's heard of Dane? Put your hand up. Okay. I'm one for one. Okay. Who's heard of... Shall I go music again? I'll go music again. Go on with music. I'm trying to think of the name. So I'm that old. Okay. So
Our full speaker is called Cameron Parker. He's a motivational speaker. Cameron has been motivating and supporting students on their educational journey with Big Dreams workshops and Things to Results speak for themselves. With the feedback he's had and he's received from students and teachers and parents alike, we couldn't say no to anyone. And also, he uses real life situations in light-hearted, relatable manners. So without further ado, please welcome Cameron Parker.
Brilliant, thank you.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you, mate. Okay, they need to turn my mic on. Can everybody hear me? Yeah. Perfect. And where's Michael gone? Has he gone for a shower? Yeah, he's gone. Okay, just to give you guys a quick heads up, put your hands up if your school is not in London. Put your hands up. Do you want to know how I made £20 million and have a boardroom like this just in 2.5 days? You can get yourself one of these Rolexes. Don't zoom in, it's a fossil. One of these Rolexes, this could be yours. Do you think I care about materialistic things like that? No, what I care about is the money. 2.5 days. How much did I say? 20 mil? 20 million? 20 million. All could be yours. Only if you follow me on Instagram and hit that hit that big red button and subscribe. This is why they should not let us out into Canary Wharf, into these big, I don't want to say posh, but yeah, big posh offices, wearing jogging bottoms. We made it! Right, I'm gonna pick my. I hope I haven't broke it. It's a fossil.
I think you're going to be straight, but I think that was one of the best presentations I've seen.
Thank you, man. The big question is, how much is it going to cost? You said £16, right? There is no way this is going to cost £16. £10.50. Not £16 though. Not 16. Okay, he's holding the camera right now. I'll tell you about him. He's only 19 years old. Put your hands up if you're 19 in here. Anyone 19? Few people, one person, okay. Put your hands up if you're 19 in the next 12 months. Successful